we will be discuss glycolysis. What is glycolysis? Glycolysis. What is glycolysis? What is glycolysis? Glycolysis is a process of conversion of glucose into pyruvic acid. This is a process of glycolysis is a process of conversion of glucose to pyruvic acid. Glucose C6H12O6 and pyruvic acid CH3COCOH. This is the process, and this is an anaerobic process. This is anaerobic process means occur in absence of oxygen air. Absence of oxygen in air. It occurs in cytoplasm. It occurs in cytoplasm. This process occurs in the cytoplasm of the cell. What is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is this is the place, this is nucleus, this is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, this structure is cytoplasm. This is the cell, it occurs in a cytoplasm. Now, it also called glycolysis. Glycolysis is also called EMP pathway. EMP pathway. Because it called EMP pathway because on the basis of the scientists who discovered this pathway. Means E means important, M means mayor of, and P means farmers. These three scientists discovered this pathway. That's why this is called EMP pathway. Now, the glycolysis having 10 steps. This having the conversion, the glucose. In this having this and 10 steps. The glycolysis is divided into two parts. First one is preparatory stage, and second one is payoff stage. Or step, pair of step or steps. Now we start. Preparatory step, use ATP and pair give या release ATP or give ATP. Now we start the first phase, that is preparatory phase. First one is preparatory step. First is preparatory step. In preparatory steps, first glucose converted into glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose is converted into glucose phosphate on the way by hexokinase. Why this is named having hexokinase name? This glucose having 6 carbon molecule, hence hexo, and this enzyme called breakage of glucose into glucose 6-phosphate. In this process there is use of ATP, and this ATP is converted into ADP. In this process the ATP will be converted into ADP. Now after that the glucose is converted into fructose. Fructose 6-phosphate. Fructose 6-phosphate. Means this is glucose is converted. The enzyme used in this process, here the isomerization takes place. Isomerization takes place, hence enzyme is phosphoglucoisomerase. The name of enzyme on this basis of substrate. Here the glucose is 6 carbon compound, that's why hexo, and the process is kinesis, means breakdown, that's why the hexokinase. Here glucose is converted into 6-phosphate. Glucose is converted into fructose 6-phosphate. Hence the enzyme on the basis of phosphogluco, and here isomerization takes place. That's why the enzyme is isomerase. Now this isomerase is converted into fructose